to my YouTube channel. I miss you guys so much. Welcome back. Thank you all for your support, for watching my video. God bless you. So today's topic, please just ignore this noise. You know, this summer they always love to do what do they call it, renovation. Please just don't pay attention to the noise. Just listen to me, the queen, okay? Oh my god, it's very funny. So today, I'm going to be talking about mothers. Please pay attention to your children. And those men, hey God, please if you know, say you no go fit take care of another man pikin, no dey marry women wey don fit get pikin o. Mothers, you wey know say your, especially I dey talk about mothers when they don fit born for another man before they come marry. Mother when they go dey deny their children of happiness all the name of they want to stay in marriage. My sister, I pity for you. I pity for you. Most of all those mothers, you know very well, say your husband they maltreat your pikin, fear not go let you talk. Why? Because you know I made your mother scatter. You know I made your mother scatter. You go even they beat your pikin, they join. You be my dad. You want come at me for husband. You want come at me for husband. You know I make I say for husband. You could they beat your pikin. Hey, please stop it. It's not nice. And most of una mothers, una know so una husband they molest una daughter. Una go keep quiet. Una no go let you hear. Una go dey cover am. Una go dey cover am. For what? For what? Say no to that. Say no to stepfather molesting their father molesting their stepdaughter. Say no to it. It's bad. Say no to stepfather molesting their stepdaughter. If you are a stepfather and you are molesting your stepdaughter, the kind thunder that will fire you, hey, is still doing press up. The thunder will fire you, If the thunder that will fire you is still doing press up, please stop it. It's not nice. All those men, wait till I see for all those small children, but the one I go they rape small pikin. Wait till I see woman when you say you love, you call your wife. The pikin supposed to be your own pikin. The pikin when you don't fair born supposed to be your own too. Not for you to they molest the pikin, they maltreat the pikin. It's bad. Stepfather, I beg una. Make una stop to dey molest una stepdaughter. Oh, I beg. Make una stop am. And mothers, make una dey protect una children. Make una no go let una pikin die because of marriage. If marriage, you know me say you must marry. And I mean most of una go dey for that marriage, una go dey miserable, una go for frustration it go be na morning food, afternoon food. Say no to it is bad. If you are that man that is raping your stepdaughter, you are taking advantage, and you this mother, you know you dey cover, make your marriage not scatter. That marriage go still scatter. If you be mother when you know say your husband they rape your daughter, you dey cover her because he made that marriage go scatter. Yes, he must scatter. You not go get peace for that marriage. Say no to that. Is bad. Please help me share this video. Help me share it. Share it to those mothers when they don't feel born on for another place before they marry. They go abandon their children because they made their marriage not scatter. That marriage go still scatter. No be that pikin say you may you go fair born for another place. No be that pikin say may you not protect yourself. No be that pikin say make you foolish. No be that pikin not send you message. No carry your frustration put for that innocent pikin body. You don't marry. You know say your husband dey maltreat your daughter or your son. You no go talk. You no go fit protect. I go use my last blood to protect my children. Wetin you dey talk? What are you saying? No matter how that pikin take come, protect your children. Say no to that. If the man no fit accommodate your pikin when you first born for another place, leave the marriage. Simple. Let it go. Let him go. Make it dey go. Make it carry load dey go. You understand? You forget say that pikin go grow. The young shall grow. You go hold one day. Maybe na that pikin I go save your life. Now that time you go chop this your kpolo eye. Shoot this mother when I dey allow that thing. You see that one when you born for the man when they carry like egg. They carry. Now that one go put pepper soup water for your eye. That one when you dey maltreat. When you dey let you and your husband dey maltreat when you say born for another place. Maybe na that one I want save your life for. You don't know. Please, guys, just ignore any noise that you are hearing, please, because this matter is very serious. Okay? You don't know whether na that pikin na go save you, because some of all those women when they don't feel born for another place, if they don't see man, see husband though, I must marry. I want join the group of marriage women. They go they maltreat the pikin when they feel born for another place. They know say their husband no good though. They go they follow the husband, they maltreat him. They go the one when they born for the man, they go they carry like she said na gold. That one when they carry like gold, they go put pepper for your eye if you don't grow. You see that one when they maltreat because of all the name of marriage. Now that one I go feel happy. You don't know. Stop it. Treat your children with equal love. No matter how the pikin take come, whether it come by mistake, whether it come by accident, anyhow it take come, love your pikin. Pikin a blessing. Stepfather, stop to dey rape your stepchildren. Oh, stop it. Stop maltreating your stepchildren. Stepmother, you stop it. Okay? Please. Say no to rape. Rape is bad. It's not good. It's not good in any way. It's not good in the presence of God. It's not good in the presence of human being. It's not good in the presence of children. Even the presence of animals. It's not good. It's bad. If you know say you don't feel love your wife with the pikin wey don't feel born, don't marry her. Please. Stop to dey molest the innocent children. Stop to dey molest your wife pikin. Stop it. Stop it, oh, please, stop it. It's bad. And to those father, when they see they molest their own God. You see that your cassava, the thunder when go blow that your cassava, the way when thunder will take cut that your cassava throw away. And then I even share this to give all those father. When they are say they are tan, you no go let them keep. Now for their own pikin body. I beg, may I just leave that father home for another one. I beg. Say no to it. Enough is enough. Stop to dey molest your step children. Stop it. It's not nice. It's not sexy. And you mother supporting evil. You know say your husband a dog. You know say they molest your pikin, your daughter. You still stay for that marriage. That marriage will not go take your life. It's bad. Stop it. Please share this video. Share it to them. Let them see it. Share it. May una not let's share the pain una. May una share. What is bad is bad. If you cannot say it, you see person where see they talk now. Una go share the video. So una go see they share. May una share the video because this thing is getting to more. Innocent children are suffering. They are crying. They are in pain. They don't get nobody to talk for them. Most of all those children, they go talk to their so-called mother. You go say, shut up. If you not let them you hear, no talk for outside though. No talk. Shut up. They go they close their mouth. Let's say no to it. What is bad, my people, is bad. Share this video. Share it. Not those mother. Make they see right on top of the sharing. Let them know. Say no to raping your step daughter. Say no to molesting your stepdaughter. It's bad. Husband, if you know say woman don't fair born, not they rape their children. Stop it. It's not good. Please. Enough is enough. We are tired. Those children are tired. Those children will grow up tomorrow. They will come for you. We full speed. And people can say, Nana, how many years Nana you want to talk? Really? Did you know what it is for your stepfather to rape you? For your stepfather to keep raping you. When that pikin don't finally grow up, you don't get fed out to fly. She want talk. Una go dey tell her say shut up. After many years now you want talk. Why you not talk since? May rape be your portion and your generation portion. All those of una when una go dey tell say when people when they rape after many years they come now they get power to talk. When they want talk una go dey shut them up. Una go dey tell they say after many years now you want come talk. Rape will be your portion and your generation portion. All your children they go dey rape them one by one because una don't know the pain when it be for someone to be raped, for your father, your uncle, your sister, your pastor, your relation to rape you, even people are there to rape you. You don't know the pain. You don't know the emotion, the emotional torture. You don't know it. That is an everlasting pain. When you not go feeling that injection virus, it they spread. They break. Now so the pain they increase. Then when the woman don't get fed out to fly, one can't talk now. They tell her say shut up. Now you want to talk. After many years, now rape. Now go be your portion. Your children they shall be raped one after the other. It's bad. Let's say no to it. Enough is enough. Stop to they rape your stepchildren. Stop it. It's not good. I beg. Share this video. Make una know you they look this video and say make una they share am, make they see am. Enough is enough. If na like say wetin this one they talk, no men they na you that your mouth wey they talk am. Now God now go cut and come off for your mouth. Enough. Please guys share this video. Thank you all very much for watching. Bye. Love you.